Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. My name is Janet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I want us to prepare vegetable rice. Here is my rice. I've already washed it. I have my vegetables, which is minji and some carrots. I have my salt here and I have my oil here. I'll use coconut oil. And my pot is ready for cooking. So I'll go ahead and heat my pot, then add oil, and we continue with the process. Welcome on board. My pot by now is hot. I'll add some like 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and heat it up. My oil is hot now. I'll go ahead and add my vegetables, which is minji and carrot and star. Had preheated my minji. Just simmer them. So cooking by using this process, they will not overcook before the rice is ready. I'll add salt. And stir until it is to blend with the mixture. I'll add my rice. And stir. Remember, when starting cooking, you can stir your rice using any mwiko or kijiko, stirring rod, anything. But when your rice is ready, you should use your fork to stir your rice so that it may not break. I'll continue stirring until the rice blends with the mixture and the oil too. I think now it's ready. It has blended well. And it's time now to add oil, water. I'll add water until the water covers the rice. Make sure all the rice is covered. add some more rice, some more water. Then I'll cover and I will reduce my fire to medium, then wait for it to boil. My rice is still boiling. Let's meet after it's ready. My rice is doing well. So I'm gonna reduce the cook it on low flame. Then you see the results. There it is. Here's my rice. It's ready. What does it look like? Yummy. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. And God bless you. Bye.